So say you want to clean your engine. There's 3 things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a pressure washer and a water hose. You're gonna need a soft bristle brush and a degreaser. So there's a lot of degreasers on the market. The one that I prefer is Precision Cleanse Tire and Rim. Now look, this thing is non-acidic, meaning whenever you spray it on the inside here, it's gonna actually eat away at the dirt, but it's not gonna eat away at the paint and maybe etch it or burn it on the inside of the engine compartment or on your fenders. So first things first, if you have anything here like an exposed air filter, some kind of electronics that may be that you have on there, you wanna cover those up. Second, I like to actually take the pressure washer or the water hose and I like to wet my fenders and the grill and in the hood. So that's actually gonna help dilute the degreaser when it goes on there. So just another precaution of a just in case. Finally, we're gonna spray our degreaser in an H pattern, and the H pattern is for, you don't really spray a lot of degreaser on the engine itself. You shouldn't have to, right? So you're just gonna spray the edges, so which is one part of the H, next part of the H, and then swipe over the center of it, then you're ready to go to work. Once you get the degreaser applied, now you're ready to go to scrubbing. Grab your soft bristle brush, your pole brush, whatever you're gonna use, and let's go to rubbing. Always wanna be careful back here where your windshield wiper nozzles come in and your hoses hook up. Listen, the heat from the engine and the heat from the outside is gonna dry rot the plastic. You can bump those very easily and break those very easily, and now you got to go find them before your customer arrives back and you have to tell them that you messed something up. So that's a definite place to be careful. So finally, we're ready to rinse. Listen, whenever you're rinsing, make sure you don't put a whole lot of excess water, you know, where some of your connections or your electronics are gonna be. Maybe you do have an exposed air filter. Just make sure you don't wet all those things too much. Voila! Now you have a nice, clean engine compartment, and you're finished.